So this area is our wire cable production line. Have a look. So we buy the copper wire to rotate to assembly in different sizes here, and then we come here to produce the wire cable. This is the raw material for the plastic material. So from here is for the seal, printing. You know, because for some of harness we need to print the number on the wire. So we use here to print the numbers. And here we rotate the wire here, the braid area. This is the twisted area. So this is for the wire. We finish. We have different standard, different size. For the US standard, Japanese standard. Yes. Yeah, different size. This is our lab. We testing the quality here for the temperature testing and for the wire bending testing machine to testing. And this is the independent testing. So we need to test for every hour cable to make sure the quality meet the requirement for different machines.